iPadOS 26 has brought some subtle but important changes to Apple Notes, especially around the layout and orientation of the app. If you've been using Apple Notes for a while, things might look just a bit different and better. First up, new icons. They've had a makeover. You'll notice the design is cleaner, more modern, and the icon positions have shifted slightly. It's not just for looks, it helps with quicker access to what matters most. On the sidebar, all your main tools for editing folders, for creating new folders, and collapsing the sidebar are grouped neatly at the top. No more hunting around. The folders column is now slightly resizable. But the notebooks column even more. If you're working with long notebook titles, or you just want more breathing room, you'll appreciate this. The share icon is now easier to reach, and the search bar is more prominent, making it quicker to find what you're looking for across all your folders and notebooks. And that was a quick orientation of Apple Notes in iPadOS 26.